Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about BBC iPlayer error code 34024. The error reads, "Looks like something went wrong. Please try again." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to access the BBC live channels. Sometimes the app loads randomly, most times it does not. According to the research, the error likely happens due to app cache issues, VPN interference with NordVPN or any other VPN, or location settings inside iPlayer. To deal with the error, simply clear the cache for BBC iPlayer on your device. Then close and reopen the app to try again. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error persists and you are using a VPN, then disconnect the VPN, then open BBC iPlayer and test live channels. If the error continues, change your iPlayer location settings. In iPlayer, switch your location and confirm if it works. If it works, then switch back to your location if needed. If the error still doesn't resolve and you are in a region where the service is not available, try switching to another VPN service. Simply turn off the current VPN and use a different VPN provider and then launch iPlayer again and check for the error. At last, if nothing helps, contact your provider for further help and assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.